You just can't tell. But like, how do you get so excited? A whole ass picture. Did I do it? Can you say you've done the middle of the highway? Because I'm inside a mountain right now, baby. I'm out the other side. Wyoming. Oh my God, pressure's on. You should. I got a little sock. Let's go. That's nuts. Check that out. 60 degrees. The fact that you only see my footprint. And I parked right there. Ah, yes. Woo. Woo. Heavy. Wow. And you will not 80 smackaroos on this meathead, but I'm doing a workout right here. Oh my God, the sun has gone. Smile for the camera, Jeep. Ooh. Get this Kit Kat. I want. Cool. Thanks to me. Thank you. My head's still on a pillow. Bro. What? Be free. Go try to be his friend. Ah! Maybe it's a self-portrait. Maybe it's something the gods told them. Chipotle bowl. Just do it. I did. Too cool, right? Oh my God. Hello. Hi, guys. Oh, there's two. Check out this crazy hike find. Oh. Ugh. There's some. Oh my God. Size of that thing. I'm going that way. I'm just gonna walk up this driveway. I pretty much summited this little area. Okay. Because Jake said. All right, now I've definitely this section. Hi. It's fun. I like that. Ah, campsite, campsite. Hello? Check that out. Goodbye. I'll miss you. I was thinking about something yesterday. Now you get only talking Spanish. Time as ever.
Why does he have that thing?
What?
It's actually less
Smile. I'll see you tomorrow for True Gratitudes. Good night. Boys.